Okay, we got the crank in there working. Now we're going ahead and mocking up the cam chest here. See how much drag we get with the gear. Spinning nice and round and true. We still got a little bit too much in play on our crank, so here's our in play. You can hear it. Work on that yet. Take another thou of that thrust washer over there. Let's see, which one is this one? It's number 1.
Number 1 son.
Makes this number 3. Down here where I can see it.
You gotta line them all up, huh?
Well, that's what it's all about.
Gotta line them up.
If you don't set it in the right spot, how do you know if it works?
Right, it won't be happy later, huh?
Okay, so damn gasket's in the way, isn't it? Okay, so now all our marks are lined up there. If you look at it,
Yeah.
you might need some light, including our idler gear. Can leave our own special mark on it. There we go.
Yeah, it's working. I didn't think it was working.
It's not on right now.
It is or not?
No.
Okay, now it is.
There it is. So you can see all the little marks are all lined up.
Even your idler gear, huh?
Even the idler, because it matters. Okay, so now I'm going to take our cam cover. We still have no lubrication on anything. She used the gasket on it for a week, it now fits. So.
Yeah. What kind of sealer you put on that gasket when you do it?
Gasket cinch.
That stuff's been around a long time, huh?
Yep. It came out in the early teens, I think.
Easy.
Don't run your thumb between it and the rod.
Don't do that.
It tends to hurt.
Don't fit good.
Nah, it didn't fit at all.
That sounds good, man.
It's a little tight, but okay, now all the bolts are in there. Tight. Right there gets tight, it's free. Gets tight right there. Free, tight. Free, tight. It's runnable with that. But why be runnable when you can fix it right?
What are you gonna do? You gonna lube it?
Lap it in a little bit.
Lap it in?
I don't like tight spots. Anybody can run tight spots. We have ways to get around them problems.
You're gonna use your new tool, huh?
Nope.
No?
Got a tool right here.
Just that? Okay.
I could use a tool and these would be flopping all over.
Yeah, that's right. I ain't thought of that. I was like, no, you can't.
Put some fancy holding fixture up off the ceiling to hold the rods up straight.
So they just be banging around, huh?
Yeah.
Kind of marking up the aluminum a little bit.
Have to have a holding fixture for the motor and all kinds of fancy crap.
Just do it by hand.
Yeah. Do it the old-fashioned way.
One of them still holding. Nope.
Gasket's holding. Yeah, we got them in there pretty
Okay.
good. We don't screw around, we put stuff together.
Telling you.
Where's that goop we used?
Oh, the stuff?
See, one has oil and one has goop on it.
That's the goop.
That's the grease.
Oh, that's the grease.
This is the goop,
That's the goop.
otherwise known as lapping compound.
Can you
Extra,
feel that
extra
stuff's
clean.
gritty?
Oh yeah, it's gritty. No doubt about it.
You want to turn? Okay. Lapping it now, boss. That dog's lapping it up. You get a lot of people coming by here at us looking for spare change and like that.
Well, they sell you up front. When after.
He was yelling out there. He said, "What kind of place is this?"
Just a
What did he
pot
say?
shop.
It's
Just a pot shop.
Yeah, no, he said something else. He said, "Is it?"
Just tell them it's a pot shop.
Yeah, man, he wanted to come in then.
So yeah, we don't sell the.
So you got it across the street, huh?
Yeah.
No sign out there, and that's part of the legal thing.
I don't know.
They got to be so far away from schools. You don't have any schools around here, huh?
They're about 3 blocks away. See, that's half the business. Come on.
Yeah.
Hear that gritting noise there?
Yeah, man. Now, how about that other gear in the back there?
We're not doing that one.
Oh, they don't need it, huh?
No, we don't need it. I'm not sure which one's going to get it. But
It's going to touch it, right? Oh, no, it's not either. Just that one.
well, we still have to clean everything up again,
Right.
even though we've done it 3 times a day already.
Yeah.
We'll be doing it 2 more times. Actually, no, I think I hit this slightly, so to make sure I got no grit on that spot. Okay. Gasket.
Gasket.
It's a little tighter with the grit in there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it biting it, huh?
Went right in.
That's it.
That's the spot.
That's it, man. It's happy now. Now, when this all said and done, there ought to be a gap between this cover and the countershaft cover there?
No,
Not necessarily.
should be right up close to this edge.
Okay. Usually I got a gap on them. I don't have one, that orange and white one. It's got it really tight.
It's Harley manufacturing errors. Okay, how much effort?
You can feel it, huh?
Tight spot.
There you go.
Going backwards.
Go both ways, huh?
It's freeing up, so you can go backwards.
Well, it's good, huh? Gets it covered real good both ways.
Well, that way, in case you go backwards when you spin,
Yeah.
won't hurt the motor.
In case it kicks back on you, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Runs backwards a little bit. Yeah, you can hear it grinding in there, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's amazing how it doesn't work that way.
That idle speed.
I've always heard about lapping compound. I've never seen it before. That was your, they left the valves.
I can go pretty fast.
Yeah. Probably about 10 miles an hour there, huh? 20?
Get a coast?
Yeah.
Not dragging, see?
Uh-huh.
Nice and free now. So.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Put 20 miles on it.
That's it. Broke in now.
Just broke it in. Now for the fun part. Another hour of cleaning. We just did an hour of cleaning after all the grinding.
Mm-hmm. We just got to do the cam cover, right?
Got grit. Got to do everything.
Wherever it touched it, right?
Everything. Cam cover, everything.
Cams.
Into the flywheel. Cam,
It got on all that shit.
everything.
I thought it was just that one gear down there.
Might have vaporized in there. I was running down the road about 20. Had that thing probably up to about 1200 RPM there. Were you counting how many times I was going in a circle?
Yeah, kind of. He was doing pretty good, but I don't know how it equates to miles.
I was
miles
at the
per
idle
hour.
speed, I think. Depends on what gear you're in.
Yeah. I hope it's going to be turning faster than that, though.
Before it makes noise or after it makes noise?
No noise.
No noise. Oh, this is going to be a
Quiet.
hush motor.
Yeah, it's going to be whisper quiet.
It's going to be like factory made.
I could put a Honda emblem on the side and they say, man, that Honda sounds smooth.
That's right. Here, let me have it.
Oh.
Get it down here a little bit.
It's coming. Okay, where'd he get it?
Got no grit on this, but we're still going to clean it.
Yeah,
It's still getting clean though.
Yeah.
But we're still going to think about doing that bush.
Yeah, do that. You got to get a reamer for it? Or you got it already?
I got that deal with the reamer. I can run through it. Okay, so you can see the residue there across that cam,
Okay.
which means it went onto this cam, which means it went onto that cam.
So all of the above.
It's on this cam over here.
Oh, I can see that. That's like really gritty looking.
Every cam got goop on it, see?
This one especially got it.
That's because that's the one that drives off the crane.
Yeah.
So it's got the most on it.
Mm-hmm. Just that half of it, though.
It's all lapped in now. Look at how nice and smooth that is.
It's amazing, man. That stuff's like a miracle, huh?
It's a miracle what it does to your motor when it gets in there, too. So, remember how much work we did last time to clean all this crap off?
Yeah.
Guess what?
Do it again.
Do it again.
How many more times you got to do it?
We're
We
gonna
got cam ambitions. I
We're
mean,
going to clean the gears off twice before we put in the solvent.
okay.
All right, we'll be back. We got some more work to do.
Okay, doke. Shut her down.
Loose. Okay, we've cleaned up a little bit. Not full final, but clean everything up so we can check it now. So we have a very, very minute bind in that one high spot. Did you find it yet?
Yeah. Let's see. Not there. Not there. I think I lost it. I feel like I'm feeling it right there.
No, it was at the,
Yeah, it's up to the
on the
top.
top of the rear. Right in that area. See if it's that stroke or the next one over.
Well, I thought I felt it. Now it's gone.
It's obviously a couple of teeth on the number 2 cam that's doing it. So
Well, I swear to goodness, Tatro, I don't. Okay, maybe it's just minor. It's so damn minor, man. You want me to do it?
That's,
Yeah, I'll hold the
that's
camera.
it right there. See,
Yeah.
See the flywheel's not free. Here, hold up. So we're in the tight spot. So there's no dowel on these covers. It all has to self-align. So we're going to loosen this up. bind area. Retighten it up. See, it's not quite letting the flow come up.
Mm-hmm.
See right here?
Yeah.
See how this is floating?
Mm-hmm.
See, this is not floating. That's how much bind we have.
Mm-hmm. Not much.
You can barely feel anything. It's right there, that's free, and then right here it's not much. You can see
Yeah.
it just keeps going. You can see how it kind of slows down, but
Uh-huh. Nothing to worry about, huh?
no, it's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
It'll
I
wear.
believe it, yeah.
So we're good to go on this for now.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to, tomorrow we're going to go ahead and pull this all apart, take 1/1000 out of this thrust washer over here,
Mm-hmm.
the spacer between the gears,
Right.
and Timkins. Clean everything all up one more time in a clean tank, spotlessly, and then we'll go ahead and see what our in-play when we reassemble it. We'll put it all back together again just like this, and then we'll see what we got for our in-play over there. If the in-play looks good, we can put it together. And we still haven't checked the tranny yet, so we'll probably do that before we tear it apart. So probably the first thing we'll do is get the transmission over here and check it.
Do you just measure how big that bushing is?
No, go ahead and mock it all up. Put the main shaft in, put a trap door in it, make sure everything works on the tranny side. We already know what's going on here, so we'll just go ahead and mock up this side. That way I can take it all apart, everything will be spotlessly clean again.
Bitchin'.
So we're gonna have a lot of spotlessly clean jobs here.
About 6 o'clock tomorrow, man? Something like that, be better.
I don't know, about 6 a.m.? Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
That'll work, yeah, sure. All right, so there we're at. Waste another day, but oh well. We got some work done. There you go.
Yeah.